Work style preferences are one of those things that are relatively easy to decode. The first way is ask people, because usually these manifest in two or three ways. One is whether they prefer to do their thinking in a group or collectively, or whether they are one of those people who need to go off on their own, think it through, and then bring it to the group. The second is the time of day that they are at peak concentration and at peak ability to deliver on what they need to do. And even these, you can start seeing patterns over a period of time. So I have some colleagues who I know I will always get a mail from at 2 in the morning or 3 in the morning. And we sort of found a wire medium with me saying they will never get a response from me at that hour. And then there are others who actually want to work in that 9 to 5 block and then go home and take care of family, home, kids, so on and so forth. And I think both these styles are valid. But beyond that, I think individuals also need to recognize that you do work in a collective, collaborative work environment. So it can't all be a free for all with everybody doing what they want and never coming together to work. And I think to that extent, this balance has to be maintained between what you need as an individual to be at your peak productivity, but also what you need to do a give and take with your team, to brainstorm collectively, to deliver collectively. And our work environment has its own timelines and its own sort of work demands that also have to be catered to. For instance, when I was a producer producing sport programming for television, there was no point my saying I actually do my best work early in the morning, so I can't show up for a day and night game that's going to finish at midnight and get me back at 2 a.m. It had to be done. And I think work styles have to be approached like that. Do what you need to do to operate at your highest level, but be cognizant that you are not working in isolation or as an island. So then figure out what the bridges are where your work styles and that of the larger group can enmesh.